Hey guys, I'm Keith, the lead van builder here at Beachside Custom Vans. Super excited to give you a tour of this custom van we just finished. We're also going to be selling one with a similar floor plan to this in a couple weeks, so stay tuned to see how that van could be yours. So let's get right into the tour. This is a 2024 Mercedes Sprinter all-wheel drive on a 170 wheelbase. It comes from the factory with the comfort package, driver convenience package, 360 camera, and a 7-inch media screen up front. On the exterior, we've got a Van Compass Stage 3 suspension upgrade with BF Goodrich KO2 tires. We tinted the front cab windows and we wrapped the bottom paneling here with a black 3M wrap, which matches the trim really nicely. On the driver's side and passenger side, we installed full-size AMA windows with the half slider to give a nice breeze throughout the van. We've got a Backwoods Adventure Mods side ladder and roof rack. And up there we've got a Starlink mounted using Starmount Systems flat mount and their 12-volt conversion. Coming back this way, we've got a 30 amp shore power outlet in case you're at the campground or you need to charge up your battery bank. And back here we've got a Off-Grid Fabrications spare tire mount. A couple more things we've got on the exterior. We have these Baja Design rear lights up top, which is really great if you're backing up or if you're just using the back area back here at night. And on this side, we've got a freshwater fill port. Personally, one of my favorite options on this van is this Fiamma F45 Eagle electric awning. It's super great because you can maximize your space with indoor-outdoor living. And the best part is all you have to do is press a button to set it up. Before we get to the inside part of the tour, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more tours like this one. We're a fully custom camper van builder out of Jacksonville, Florida. We work with all different types of styles. You can also check out our Instagram and our website that'll be linked below. So let's get back into it. All right, heading inside the van, the first thing we've got here is this nice big drawer. When you pull this out, you have a lot of storage in here. You could also use this as a table, like standing right here. We installed amp research side steps, which makes it really easy to get in and out of the van. We have a nice big seating area with this L-shaped couch, a partition wall that separates the cab and the living space. And let me show you one of the coolest parts back here. We've got a Happy Jack bed lift, so all you have to do is press this button and then your bed is ready in seconds. In the seating area under these two benches, we have all of our electrical components, which are all Victron. We have 800 amp hours of Victron batteries, a 3000 watt Victron inverter, Link's distributor, and Link's Smart BMS. Hooked up to the Cerbo GX so you can control everything from there. And we have our distribution panel here for 12 volt and 120. We have a dual alternator with a WakeSpeed regulator, so it keeps the batteries charged. And we have a Mid-City Engineering auto start, and it's hooked up to a relay in the Cerbo as well, so you can control that from your phone. And we also have relays hooked up for temperature in here too, so when it gets too hot in this bench, it will turn this fan on here to get some of the heat out of the bench. For climate control in this van, we installed two max air fans, one at the front and one at the back, and we installed a 12-volt Velvet air conditioner here in the middle. Moving right into this side of the kitchen, we have butcher block countertops. We use Walnut Plywood to construct all of our cabinetry in this van. We have lots of storage with soft close drawer slides. We have all of our controls here, including the Cerbo GX Touch. We have dimmers, an outlet, a USB outlet, and all the ball valves to turn on water pump, the release valve for the gray water and the fresh water, and this is a switch for the water heater. We have a UV filtered water filter here, a piece of the butcher block that comes out so you can use that as a cutting board if you want, a nice deep sink. And moving into under the sink here is where we've got the water heater and the water filter with a little bit of extra storage as well. We also have more storage here above the sink. We did an epoxy pour for these cabinet faces, which turned out really nice. Moving into this side of the kitchen, we have a microwave convection of combo, so you can pretty much cook anything in here. We have a 2-burner induction cooktop here and a Dometic 110 fridge. This is also 12 volts, so you've got plenty of storage in here with a small freezer as well. We were also able to fit a closet in here with plenty of drawers and hanging storage, so you can bring as many clothes with you on the road as you'd like to. So here we have a Nautilus shower door that separates the living space from the bathroom. So come around back and I can show you the full thing. Here we have a full shower fed by our 30-gallon freshwater tank that goes into our 28-gallon gray water tank. We have a curved track for the shower curtain. and even more storage over here on this side. And behind this door, we have our dry flush toilet, which is on heavy duty drawer slides that slides out so you can do your business and then slide it back in when you're not using it. Last up on the tour, we have the garage area, which doubles as laundry and gear storage. There's a laundry basket right here with a chute on the inside of the closet so you can drop your clothes in and then access them back here. And we added this ladder so you can have easy access to whatever you're storing back here. That pretty much sums up the tour. Like I said before, there will be a van with a similar layout to this for sale soon. So if you're interested in that or a custom build, reach out to Alex at beachsidecustomvans.com. Thanks again for watching.